Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to find 4K Ultra HD videos on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. In the search bar at the top, enter your search query and hit search. YouTube suggests relevant videos based on your search query. If you scroll through the list, you can observe that few videos are in 4K resolution, few videos are in 8K resolution, and few videos are full HD videos. To watch videos in 4K resolution, click the filter icon at the top. A dialog box pops up. Here, under Features section, select 4K option. As you can see, search results will now only include videos that are in 4K resolution. Similarly, you can find 4K videos for other search queries. This is how you can find 4K Ultra HD videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching.